Hi everyone, and welcome back to Handmade to Inspire. My name is Dayani, and on today's video we're going to be working on this very easy project, especially if you are a beginner. I recommend you start doing like easy stuff, and we're going to be working on this little heart that you guys can see here. I have some previous ones that I made already, so you guys can see in different colors. This can be very useful, so you like learn how to hold the crochet hook, how to give tension to your yarn, and you can like also be more familiar with the stitches and everything. So it's a very fast project. Like if you're not too familiar with the stitches, it might take a little longer, but if you like, once you get the practice, you can even be making them like in 2-3 minutes the most. So it's a very fast project you can use for several stuff. I will on the end of this video, I'm going to be posting some ideas that you can use those little hearts. And no more talking, and let's get started. Okay, so let me show you guys the materials we're going to be using to make this project. I'm using a 3.5 crochet millimeter hook. I don't know if you guys can see it. We're going to need a yarn needle, some scissors, and I'm using worsted weight yarn number 4. I do recommend, if you're starting crocheting now, that you use this type of yarn, because if you use the chunky yarn, it can be a little frustrating, especially when they shed and you're not able to make a proper magic circle and all that kind of stuff. So this is an affordable yarn that you can use for practicing, and will be more useful in my opinion. But anyway, okay, so to start this project we need to make a magic circle or a magic ring. To do that, you're going to hold your yarn with your thumb and you're going to wrap around your index and middle finger, and then on the second loop you're going to form an X. You're going to secure this yarn with your ring finger, and you're going to grab your crochet hook, go underneath the first loop and on top of the second, and you're going to pull the second one through the first. Now you're going to twist your crochet hook, creating a loop, and to secure this loop we're going to chain. So we're going to place our crochet hook underneath the yarn, and we're going to pull through this loop, forming a chain, and we're going to be making another chain. So to make this, you're going to place your crochet hook underneath the yarn again, and you're going to pull through the loop, and you have a chain. There you go. Now you have 2 chains on this loop. The way to hold the yarn, you will have to find out the way more comfortable for you. I try several ways. Like when I start crocheting, I was watching videos, I see people like wrapping yarn around fingers and all that stuff. That was too complicated and I was not feeling comfortable. So what I do, like I hold my yarn with my 2 fingers here, with my ring finger and pinky to create the tension, and I put the yarn on top of my index finger. This is the most comfortable holding yarn position for me to crochet, but you guys will find out the way that is more comfortable for you. But anyway, let's continue with the pattern. So now we're going to be doing a treble crochet. To make a treble crochet, you're going to yarn over once and yarn over twice. So you're going to end up with like 3 loops on your crochet hook. So you're going to go through the magic circle, and you're going to yarn over and pull the yarn through inside the circle. See? Now you have 4 loops on your crochet hook. To finish the stitch, you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over last time and pull through the last 2 loops from the hook, and you have your treble crochet. Let me put the camera a little closer so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So you need to yarn over once, yarn over twice. Going to go through the ring, and you're going to yarn over and pull the yarn through the ring, and you're going to end up with 4 loops on your crochet hook. Then you're going to yarn over again, go through the first 2 loops, yarn over one more time, go through another 2 loops, and you're going to yarn over the last time and go through the 2 last loops, and you have your your treble crochet ready. We need one more. So we yarn once, twice, go through the loop of the magic circle, pull through the yarn over again, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 treble crochets ready on our magic circle. So now that we are done with our 3 treble crochets, we're going to be making 3 double crochets. To make a double crochet, you're going to, let me put the camera closer, you're going to yarn over once, go through the magic circle, yarn over again, pull through, and you're going to end up with 3 loops on your crochet hook. Then you're going to yarn over again, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through the last 2. Then you have a double crochet. You're going to be doing that 2 more times. So yarn over, put your crochet hook inside the magic circle, pull the yarn through. You're going to end up with 3 loops on your crochet hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you're going to make another double crochet. Put the camera fodder. So now what we're going to do, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to be making another treble crochet. So we chain. To make this, we have our loop on our crochet hook, we yarn over, we pull through that loop, so we chain 1. And now to make the treble crochet, we're going to yarn twice on our, so we have 3 loops on our crochet hook, put your crochet inside the magic circle, pull the yarn through, 4 loops on your crochet hook, you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, oopsies, and yarn over and pull through 2. We're going to chain 1, and we're going to be making 3 double crochets. So double crochets, you yarn over once, pull the crochet hook into the magic circle, pull the yarn through. You're going to end up with 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you have your first double crochet. You need 2 more. So we're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2, and one more time. Now we're going to be making 3 treble crochets. Treble crochets, you yarn over twice, put your crochet hook into the loop, pull the yarn through, 4 loops on your crochet hook, you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. You're going to do that 2 more times. And the last one, oopsies. The last 2 loops. If you're running out of space on your magic circle, all you have to do is hold the 2 ends, like the circle and the end, and you pull it so you have more space to work. So now what you have to do, you're going to chain 2. So place your crochet hook to pull the yarn. You're going to pull through the first loop and pull through again on the next one, and you have 2 chains. So now what you're going to do, you're going to slip stitch. So slip stitch is to secure this into the loop. So all you need to do is pull tight so you don't have like a gap or something. So you're going to place your crochet hook into the magic circle, and you're going to yarn through. Now you're going to end up with 2 loops on your crochet hook, and you're going to get the first loop and you're going to go through the second. This is a slip stitch. So once you do a slip stitch, you're going to chain 1. You pull the yarn so you leave like a long tail so you don't have the risk of this unravel. You're going to close your circle. You have to pull this little tail here tight, pull it tight, and now you cut your yarn. Don't need to cut too much because we need to weave in this in the heart. So you cut it and you pull this. So you pull one end and pull the second to be really tight, and you have your little heart ready to go. So now what I normally do, I pull it really tight so our heart don't lose the shape. And to secure the yarn 100%, I make a knot, and you pull it tight. And once you do that, all you have to do is grab your yarn needle, and you're going to weave in those 2 ends into the heart. But of course, depends on the project you're going to make with this. What you can do too on the side is leave like this. If you're going to use this for just like decoration and stuff, then you weave the ends and will look like this, like the back and the front. But if you're going to make other projects, maybe you will need to leave something to hang, because you can make like a little, I don't know, a bag charm or something, so you can use the end to make like a hanger, so you can hang this on places. But I will show you guys how to weave in, just so you guys know. So to do this, you put your yarn on your needle, and all you have to do is go through the stitches like this. Then you go on the back, on the front here, on the top. And you just cut it, and that's it. So I'll do it on the other side. And there you go. Now you have your heart ready. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll be bringing more of this little and fast projects so you guys can have stuff to practice. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.